at the pharmacy.
Excuse me, I need something for a headache.
Sure, we have a few options right over here. Are you looking for name brand or generic?
What's the difference?
The generic has the same medicine but costs less. This bottle is $5.
Great, I'll take the generic. Do I need to ask the pharmacist for it?
No, this is over the counter. Just take it to the front register.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
At the clinic.
Hi, I have a 10:30 appointment. My name's Keanu.
Let me pull up your file. What are you seeing the doctor for today?
I have a sore throat and a fever. I feel awful.
I'm sorry to hear that. Please have a seat. The doctor will see you shortly.
Thank you. Do you need my insurance card again?
No, we have it on file from your last visit. We're all set. Booking a table.
Hello, I'd like to book a table for tonight.
Of course. For how many people and what time?
For 2 people, around 7 p.m.
Let me check. Yes, we have a table. Can I get your name?
It's Keanu. And is there a dress code?
It's casual. We'll see you at 7. Booking an appointment. Good morning, Sheer Style Salon. How can I help you?
I'd like to make an appointment for a haircut.
Okay. What day works for you? We have an opening this Thursday at 3 p.m.
That works. How much is a men's haircut?
It's $35. And who is your usual stylist?
I don't have one. Anyone is fine. Thanks.
Asking for information.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm trying to find the library.
Sure. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left on Maple Street.
Straight for 2 blocks, then left. Got it. Is it far?
Not at all. It's about a 5-minute walk. You'll see the big sign.
Thank you so much for your help.
No problem. Have a good day. Asking for prices.
Hi, could you tell me how much this coffee maker is?
That one is on sale for $69.99.
Does that include tax?
No, tax will be added at the register. It's about an extra $5.
I see. And is it on sale for a long time?
The sale ends this Sunday. Returning an item.
Hi, I'd like to return this shirt, please.
All right. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, right here. I bought it last week.
Okay. Was there something wrong with it?
No, it just didn't fit right. Can I get a refund?
Of course. Your refund will go back to your original card. Asking how something works.
I'm sorry, I'm not sure how to use this. Can you show me?
No worries. First, scan the barcode of each item. Listen for the beep.
Like this? Then what?
Good. Now put the item in the bagging area. After all items, press pay.
And it takes credit cards?
Yes, just insert or tap your card when it tells you to. Asking about transportation.
What's the best way to get to the airport from here?
You can take the subway, but with luggage, a rideshare might be easier.
How much is a rideshare usually?
To the airport, it's about $35 to $40.
And how long does it take?
Without traffic, maybe 25 minutes. I'd leave an hour early just in case. Asking for recommendations.
I'm new in town. Any good restaurant recommendations?
Definitely. What kind of food do you like?
I love Italian food.
You have to try Mario's on 5th Avenue. Their pasta is amazing.
Sounds perfect. Is it expensive?
It's mid-range. A pasta dish is around $18. You'll love it.